The Wisconsin Last Will. What is a last will? A last will is a set of public instructions about where your assets go after you pass away. Someone who creates a will is called a testator. A person receiving under the will is called a beneficiary. And the one who administers the estate of a deceased person is called an executor. Why create a last will? By creating a will, you make sure that your money and other assets are distributed the way you want. It also allows you to make specific distributions. For example, you can indicate what particular piece of property goes to whom, or assign an asset percentage to each beneficiary. What are the requirements for the document? To be valid in the state of Wisconsin, a will, number 1, should be created by a person with the required testamentary capacity. This means that a testator should be at least 18 years old and of sound mind. Number 2, it should be in writing. In the state of Wisconsin, holographic wills, as well as oral wills, are not recognized as valid. However, handwritten wills witnessed in accordance with Wisconsin law might be accepted by the state. Number 3, it should be signed by the testator in the presence of at least 2 witnesses. The witnesses should be disinterested and credible, over 18 years old, and must also sign the will themselves. Number 4, it doesn't have to be notarized, but you can make your will self-proving by attaching a self-proving affidavit to it, and that requires notarization. How can a last will be revoked? A will can be partly or entirely revoked in 3 cases. By a subsequent will, your new will revokes the previous one. By destroying the will, for example by tearing or burning it, and by operation of law. A divorce will revoke every provision regarding the former spouse unless the will provides otherwise. How to write a will. A will can be written in 3 ways. By yourself, by handwriting, or using a fillable template. By turning to a legal professional, which might be quite expensive. Or through our step-by-step document builder that will allow you to create a highly customized last will.